Dear friends, we are solving exercise 2.2 from the chapter relation and functions. Fourth question is, the figure shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. This is set P and this is set Q represented by arrow diagram. Write this relation. We have to write the relation between P and Q shown in arrow diagram. Now watch carefully. Here, this pre-image is smaller than the image by 2. You can understand 5 is less than 3 by 2, 6 is less than 4 by 2, 7 is less than 5 by 2. It means it is a relation of, we have to write first by using set builder form. Set builder form means rule form. We have to write in the form of rules. So R is the relation and it is a set of xy such that, please note, x is the element, x is greater than y. So here you can say that x is equal to, such that x is equal to y plus 2, or it can be written as y is equal to x minus, or you can write this y is equal to x minus 2 also. Watch carefully. X is equal to y plus 2 or y is equal to x minus 2. So it is a relation of x and y such that x is equal to y plus 2, or you can say y is equal to x minus 2, and where x belongs to P. X belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Next is, we have to write this relation using roster form. Roster form is in the form of numbers. So relation is a set of 5 and 3. Next element is 6 and 4. And next element is 7 and 5. This is the roster form of the same set. Now, what is its domain and range? So domain is a set of first element of the relation. So it is equal to set of 5, 6 and 7. Then next we are asked to find its range. Range is the set of the second element of the relation. So range is equal to set of 3, 4 and 5. Dear friends, next fifth question is, let A be the set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Please note 5 is not here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by. Now we have to write, we are given R is the relation in such a way that it is a set of A and B, where A and B belongs to A. Please note here, let R be the relation on A. A relation on A means A with A itself. So here we will get A set. If you understand the arrow diagram, if you see the arrow diagram, you will be able to understand more properly. So I am showing with arrow diagram. A is a set of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, and A is also set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. We are asked the relation of A on A means A with A. Define A B such that A, so we have to write a relation such that it is a set of A and B where AB belongs to A, means both the elements belong to these sets. Then B is exactly divisible by A. Please note, B is divisible by A. This one is divisible by 1. So this one is divisible by 1. So first is 1, 1. Then this 1 is not divisible by 2. 1 is not divisible by 3. 1 is not divisible by 4. Next comes 2. 2 is divisible by 1 also, and 2 is divisible by 2 also. So this is equal to 1, 2 and 2, 2. Next is 3. 3 is divisible by 1 also and 3 also. So we are having the next element as 1, 3 and 3, 3. Please note I am writing this 3 this side. B is the second element, A is the first element. Now next 4 is divisible by 1 also, then 2 also and 4 also. So 4 is divisible by 1, 4. then 2, 4, then 4, 4. Observe carefully. Here second element is divisible by first element. Lastly comes 6. 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. So we will have 1, 6, 2, 6, then 3, 6 and 6, 6. See, we will ask the first question, write R in roster form. This itself, so this is a relation in roster form. When we write all the elements with the help of commas, then this is called a roster form of the relation. Next is find the domain of the relation. So domain is equal to set of first element of the relation. So first element of the relation is 1. In set we don't repeat. So 1 is already written, 2, 1 is already written, 3, 1 is written, 2 is written, 3, 4, then 6. So domain is the A set itself. Now next question is find the range R. This is the first question's answer, second question's answer, third question's answer is range. Range means set of second element of the relation. So second element of the relation is, again you will notice 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there and 6 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So again domain is the set itself and range is also the set itself. Dear friends, let us try to understand the sixth question. Sixth question is determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by. R is a set of x and x plus 5 where x belongs to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us understand this with the help of arrow diagram. That will be easier for you to understand. See, so this is x, this is another set. Now x belongs to this set. X belongs to this set means the elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are given first set, first element is x. We have written all the possibilities of x. Now we are told second element is 5 more than the first element, that is x plus 5. It means second element is 0 plus 5, 5, having relation with this. Then 1 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 5, 7, 3 plus 5, 8, 4 plus 5, 9, 5 plus 5, 10. So this is x plus 5. You can understand this is x plus 5. In all the elements are x plus 5 and if this is x. So R is a set of these elements having relation with the other element in such a way that it is 5 more than the earlier one. So it is equal to, you can say R is a set of 0, 5, then 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9 and 5, 10. We asked determine the domain and range of the relation. So domain is equal to, domain is the set of all the elements of all the first elements of the relation. So it is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And next is range. Range is the set of all the second elements. That is second elements are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Please note here the names are not given. You can give any name to the set A and B. So it is a relation from A to B in such a way that it is X is the element of set A and B is the element of the second set.